I hadn't been back in 3 years. The rain started before we even got off the motorway. He'd never seen rain like that. Mom's got the kettle on before we're through the gate. The garden's smaller than I remember, and somehow great. The wallpaper's the same from when I was just 3. And she's looking at me like she's looking for the girl I used to be. The street outside is gray and wet and perfectly still, and I breathe it in like medicine against my will. There's something in the cold that I forgot I missed. The smell of England, petrol and rain and Sunday bliss. I thought coming home would feel like going backwards, but it just feels like finding something I had scattered. Cheshire Rain on the windscreen of a borrowed car, Mom in the doorway, and I can't believe how far I've come and how close it all still feels from here. Cheshire Rain doesn't care about the life I built. It just falls the same as it always did, steady and gray and utterly without guilt. Cheshire Rain, I forgot how much I loved you. He stood at the kitchen window, watching it come down. Said he'd never seen anything like this in any town. I said, welcome to November in the northwest of England, love. He laughed and said, no wonder you ran off. But I watched him watching it, and something settled in my chest. 2 worlds in one kitchen, I think I passed the test. The one where you bring someone home and they don't flinch, and the rain just keeps on falling every inch. And I thought going home would feel like going backwards, but it felt like finding both halves of what matters. Cheshire Rain on the windscreen of a borrowed car, Mom in the doorway, and I can't believe how far I've come and how close it all still feels from here. Cheshire Rain doesn't care about the life I built. It just falls the same as it always did, steady and gray and utterly without guilt. Cheshire Rain, I forgot how much I loved you. Before we left, she pressed something into my hand, a photograph, me at 7 in the same garden, squinting at the camera in the rain, already going somewhere. You could see it even then. I keep it on the fridge in Cave Creek now, next to the desert, next to everything I chose, reminded every morning where I came from. Cheshire Rain on the windscreen of a borrowed car, Mom in the doorway, and I know exactly who we are. She made me, and the desert finished what she started. 2 places, 1 person, wholehearted. still falling, still home.